Hello lovely people, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, it is the last week before starting a new full-time job, so life is going to look a lot different very soon. But in preparation for that, we've got some fun things coming up this week before move out and all that. I think we're going to take a brief trip to the beach for a little bit of relaxation time, kind of changing up scenery, and then get back in the routine of studying some Chinese. Also, last week, I think it was 2 weeks ago actually, we did a summer camp, which was so much fun, and I'm really glad we got to experience that. Our group in the camp was themed with Willy Wonka, so it was lots of fun setting all of that up, and we were Oompa Loompas, so getting in character was a really special treat as well. But anyway, this week, kind of in between that and moving out, we've just got a lot of stuff to wrap up. So like I said, we're going to take a quick trip to the beach, and then I also have been wanting to make some Chinese dumplings / pot stickers, and then a couple of other recipes, so I'm going to throw those in there as well, so keep on the lookout for that. Currently trying to create a cookbook, so hopefully that will be coming out soon as well. But yeah, let's get into the video. That beach trip was very much needed because we were about to get into another semester. And so this week we have some Chinese language study goals. I'm going to try to do some character practice at the library at some point this week, as well as a few of the lessons that I do on Yo-Yo Chinese, which is an online course. And then I've also found some Chinese TV shows on YouTube, which are really, really helpful, especially if they're kids' cartoons, because the vocabulary is pretty basic and you can follow along with the grammar fairly easily if you are a beginner learner. So I've found Hello Kitty in Mandarin, which is really interesting. And then I've also, of course, Peppa Pig is very popular to watch in Mandarin. It is pretty babyish, but at least the vocabulary and grammar are simple and easy to understand. And then if you are a more advanced learner, there is a show called Happy Chinese, which has real people in it. So it's kind of like a sitcom type thing where you can watch that. Alright, so on the way to the local Asian grocery store, they have all kinds of wonderful, amazing things that you wouldn't normally find at a regular grocery store. So we're gonna go in there, shop around. Definitely know that we need to get some bok choy and rice. Those things for sure. Oh, and also Japanese sweet potatoes, because those things are so good. So I really hope that they have them. And then we'll just look around and see some other cool stuff. I'm also going to try to make some homemade dumplings. So we have to make the dumpling wrapper dough and then the filling for that. It shouldn't take too long, but I've tried to make them before, and honestly it can be kind of a difficult ratio to do to make them nice and soft. So we're gonna try again and see how these turn out. But all we need is flour and water, and that's literally it. It is about that time, so in the evening we usually have to do some extra rabbit care type things for Mary and Pippin. For example, Mary has got really bad arthritis, and then he also has something wrong with his eye, so he gets eye drops and pain medicine. But the nighttime is also when we usually clip their nails and things like that. I'm going to try to give him his eye drops though right now, so we'll see if he takes them and how well he does. He does not like them. Mary. He thinks I'm giving him treats. He doesn't know what's coming. So these are his eye drops. He'll get one of these in his eye that is not doing too hot. Come here. Now hold still, okay? I know their treats are in that container, but you gotta get your eye drops first, Mary. So come here. No! He stole it! Mary! He stole it before I can give him his eye drops. I'm such a bad bunny. Maybe I can get it while he's eating. Ah. Oh, no. I'm gonna have to try again later. Alright, that is all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you wish, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.